Omukoro gw'okutongoza 4-acre model mu kyanga kya Bunyoro gubira omuro na Royal Town Council omu district ya Kakumiro. Fezi y'okubanza eya 4-acre model mu Bunyoro ekabeerye ya Kakumiro, Kagadi, Kibale hamwe na Kikube, kandi fezi ya kabiri netwarira Muhoima, Masindi, Burisa hamwe na Kiryandongo. Abebembezi basimire munonga mukuru w'ihanga ahabwo buhabuzi bwo kurwanisa obworo. Aba bashabire President Museveni okubahwera hakiza obucyenguto na munonga yana Rweyo Kisita mpasana kuzama sode. Aha mukoro gu gavumenti ehira abantu ebyapa by'amataka ebirikuhingura 10 omuhuriro y'okurwanisa emihondano y'amataka.
So as for Bunyoro, if you recall what we have been giving out, we have so far this term given about over 5,000 titles. Now additional 1,200 have been added this summer. We are encouraging people to use their land well, but also to support the NRM government.
Omugani makuru, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni arambwira omuhingi w'omutaano orikwejunisya empinga ya 4-acre model omuri Busesa omu district ya Kibale.
I had a zigzag kind of business, but when the president started now aligning us into a 4-acre model system, I became very critical to learn his advice. And I had to organize now my projects of agriculture into 4-acre model.
Dr. Vega nasima President Museveni ahabwo kumuhwera kumanya uko ayinekozesa itaka rye okwiha mu byinji.
When I graduated, I did not go in to look for jobs, these government jobs. My vision was one, to be a self-employed professional. But I would not jump into medical professional business because I didn't have capital. But the capital I had was agriculture. And I had 4 pigs. And I had 2 goats. So when I graduated, I looked after those animals and they were able to reproduce. So as they were reproducing, I would get good money to start new enterprises.
Rubega yamara emyaka 5 arikwejumbira mu mpinga ya 4-acre model kandi agoborire mu byinji.
I have piggery projects, I have poultry projects, I have dairy cattle, I have rabbitry, I have pasture gardens, I have fish ponds around 4, I have banana plantation, house of avocado and coffee.
President agarukira yarambara family ya Robert Barakagira owakakindo mu district ya Kakumiro.
Tuina enterprises 5. Tuina omwani, tuina ente, tuina enkoko, tuina enanasi, kandi tuina n'ebitooke. Ebintu ebyo omwaka ogwahoire tukabifuna mututi. Mukama wange tukasobola kufuna esente ezitali ansi wa milioni 14 n'emitwalo 8 tuzitunzira omwanyi abwokuba emwanyi tukaba netutunda ensahemu neremera kiro 12 byona ogesira enterprise zone 5 tukaya milioni 28.
Arikugambaho n'abantu President Museveni abashabire kukoresa kurungi sente za parish development model okubinga obworo.
Tukozesa sente za PDM tukwasirikira mu kyaro bareke kwiba sente zanyu kubarazi bambanyegerere muzikozese zibayanga kuruko mubonako.
Amakora gagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze na Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.